may I request the captain, golf captain Hitesh, vice captain Subhojit, and the CEO, my good friend Ganpati, to join us here first. I recognize the presence of a huge contingent of press, courtesy Rohit. I don't know the name, but welcome to all of you all. Thank you so much for being here. Of course, my team, my colleagues from the Indian Golf Union, a big round of applause for the man who conducted the finals, Dr. Barua, JB Singh, wherever you are. Thank you so much. And of course, the baby of my team, Sia Manna, the latest to join the Tars family in the IGU. A few words from the club. Captain Mr. Ganpati, and then we'll move on later.
Thank you, Param sir, and on behalf of the Tollygunge Club, it's been an absolute pleasure to host the tournament. I think a lot of inspiration for our golfers from the youngsters. You have really, gone through the grind, and to have played so many rounds in the course of last 4 days, exceptional. So well done to you guys. Before I go any further, I must like to thank IGU, Prantor, Sia and the Pro Touch team. A fantastic job, because it looks so easy over the last 4 days, but a lot of hard work has gone through for the last 2 or 3 months. So big round of applause to you guys, sir, and keep up the good work. Looking at this, we can say that the Indian golf future is in good hands, and I think both of you are winners. You guys have played exceptionally well, but kudos to you, Sukhman. Very well played, good temperament. We were watching you, and wish you all the very best for the future. So thank you guys, and look forward to hosting you again after 4 years. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, I have just couple of important people to thank. I know protocol doesn't allow it, but this man is one of my oldest friends, but unfortunately he doesn't look as old as me. Pundir, come, I want to give you a hug. Thank you. Yeah, from the side you can. Well, thank you so much. I think this is probably the best I have seen Tollygunge. I have been coming here for more than 30 years now. This is one of the best conditions, that too in winter, in such cold weather, keeping the greens rolling like this. Today the green speeds were excellent. I think probably we touched 10 today, if the way it was putting. Thank you so much, Pundir, and of course the excellent FNB team. Every morning they were there with us, 6 o'clock with us. Thank you so much, sir. Please convey our appreciation to your team. And what can I say about the starters? Probably we came at the most crowded part of the year when they are having the monthly medals. They had a match with the other day. We had the ladies tournament going on, and we had the friendly match between Singapore and Dolly. In spite of all that, everything was with a smile. And please convey our regards to all your members for standing aside. And nowhere did we feel that there are about 200, 250 people on the golf course. Each time it was very, very clear. He was here ahead of me, and the caddy masters and fantastic caddies you have. They understand the difference between our hard card, our local rules and your club rules. At no point did they tell us हम ऐसे खेलते हैं हम वैसे खेलते हैं. Please convey सब caddies को शुक्रिया हमारा बोल देना. Thank you so much. And, of course, who can talk about the CEO? No need to talk about him, but I think he's going to miss all the trouble I used to give him. You can always call me and tell me that you're missing me. Of course, Prantar has already said he's getting tears in his eyes. From tomorrow he's going to miss me.
My apologies to the members for putting such tight pins for the members.
Okay, let's get on with it, because they have to complete 2 more holes, the captain. Okay, and may I request Sia to get in the runner-up trophy. A big round of applause. He is also a champion. Harman Sachdeva from Haryana. All 3 of you join, please. Well played, Harman.
Thank you, Param sir. Thank you all the team for organizing this event. And thank you, Dolly. Thank you all the staff over here. The greens were very good, and the both of them in really great shape, and thank you.
24th Amateur Champions of India, Sukhman Singh. First we give the giveaway, then we go to the rolling.
Well played, very well played. Congratulations. Wish you many more.
In the world, the Amateur Golf Championship of India Rolling Trophy.
Well done, well done.
As a finalist, what did you find more today? What was in action more today? Was it the camaraderie or was it a competition between the both of you?
It was a fierce rivalry, I would say. It wasn't a camaraderie or a friendship going on in the golf course. We both wanted to beat each other like a hell of a player, but obviously he came out on top, and congrats to him on that. But yeah, still it's a good achievement to play the All India Finals, being my first season, so I'm happy with that.
Given the course condition, the condition of the weather, along with the competition that you had today on the course, what was your strategy throughout?
I just kept reminding myself that if it's hard for him as well. Even he has to score, play the same course. It's not just that the win's there for me or not for him, and it's cold for me and not for him. It's for everyone. And I just knew that if it's difficult for me, if the pins are difficult, it's same for him. So just try to play my own game, and yeah.
What are you taking back from Tolly now that the year is ending and we are going towards a new year? What is it that you are taking back home today?
Definitely a crystal trophy right now, and some great experience. This is my first time playing a match play event, so really enjoyed this format as well, and also learning more about myself playing under pressure, but looking to go much better next year.
I'll say the tee shot on the sixth hole where I stuck it to like half a foot. I think that's what gave me the boost to, realize that I can do well. And then I'll say the second shot on the ninth hole, I stuck it to about 5 feet. So yeah, that was like the major points in my game today.
Now, this win, is this a kind of pressure on you to perform better or be a challenging participant before all other competitors in the next year, or it comes as a confidence booster?
Both the ways, I'll say, because obviously coming into this tournament I was not performing well, and making the cut on the second day, I played well on the second day, hence making the cut. I played Vinamra Anand, which is like one of the best match play golfers I've known till date. A win against him gave me the boost to play against Anshul Mishra, who was the defending champion of this prestigious trophy. I had high hopes from me in that game. I did well. Again, moving on to Arjun sir, again experienced golfer. Playing against him really showed me that calm and composed can get you through. And the semi-finals was against Siddhant Nitin again. He has reached the semis, so he has got the game. Winning against him again got me the confidence, but playing against Harman in the finals, everything can go wrong. But I kept myself calm, and I got off the pressure completely, and I think that helped me. But to talk about this pressure, I'll say it has lessened the amount, but obviously every match is a new match, so I'll have to start from ground zero again.
Very fun question. Not every day do you get a prestigious rolling trophy like this, and every day you can't take it back home. And to say the least, this trophy is your Santa's gift this year. So how do you plan to celebrate?
Just being with my family, the ones who have been there from the start, being around them is what means to me. And having this trophy, it weighs a lot. And to take it back home, any amount of money it takes, just having that in my hand is a different feeling. So yeah, I'm very excited.
Now that you have won, we will have juniors looking up to you who would like to become like you. Any tip for them that you would like to share?
Just never give up. That's what I say every time. You'll have setbacks, you'll have bad rounds, you'll have bad shots, but there's always a next one. There's a very famous saying: the most important shot in golf is the next one. So even if you're having a bad day, even if you're struggling, you have your whole life in front of you. So I think just look ahead, never look back.